Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out of Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'll show you how to make NIKUJAGA. NIKUJAGA is one of many popular Japanese dishes with simmered meat and potatoes. Niku means meat and jaga means potatoes. It's a typical family favorite dish, so everyone loves it. Alright, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. First, prepare the garnish. Remove the strings from the snow peas like this and place in the steamer and heat in the microwave for 30 seconds. Cool in cold water and pat dry with paper towel. Wash Itokonnyaku lightly in water, then pour boiling water over it. For those concerned about the smell, boil the Itokonnyaku in a pot for 1 minute. When the Itokonnyaku has cooled, cut it into suitable lengths. Place 600 ml of water in a pot and add 1 teaspoon of dashi powder, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix slightly. From here, the vegetables and meat are cut up and put straight into the pot. Cut the carrot randomly into bite-sized pieces. Cut onion into quarter wedges like this. Also, cut the potatoes in quarters. Place boiled Itokonnyaku in the pot. Cut the sliced beef into bite-sized pieces. Turn on with medium heat. While cold, break up the meat so that it blends into dashi. Prepare a paper towel and poke a little hole in the middle and use as a cover. This will help the scum stick to it, so you don't have to bother scooping out the scum. Continue to simmer without stirring for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and leave for 1 to 2 hours. Now have a taste. Turn on medium heat again and reheat to simmer. Remove the kitchen paper, but squeeze it a little when you remove it. The kitchen paper absorbs the delicious dashi. Again, don't mix, just scoop the dashi and pour it over the top. I added a little more soy sauce and mirin to finish off the taste, but please adjust it to your liking. Let's serve it up! Top it with some snow peas and it's done! For this nikujaga, I didn't use any oil, just by simply simmering the ingredients. It's easy and healthy, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!